Hello everyone, welcome to Networkgenix. In the previous video, I had shown you how to install EVENG in the VMware workstation. Now I am going to show you how to add router and switch images in your EVENG. So let's start. Open your VMware workstation. Turn on here is your EVENG. Turn this on. You will get the IP from your Eve. Just wait for some time, it takes some time. So finally you get the IP as 192.168.150.128. Now I am going to use this IP to perform our practicals or use the EVENG. Click on browser, go to any browser or hit the IP as 192.168.150.128. You will get the Eve welcome screen. Now you have to enter your username. You have to enter username as admin, password as Eve. Okay, click on sign in. Now what you have to do, that you have to create one lab. I am going to create one lab, add a new lab, name it testing, click on save. Now you have to add an object, so you can simply add an object from this option also. Add an object, click node, or else you can simply right click on the screen, you will click on node. As you are seeing that all the devices are grayed out, means no any devices are installed in your EVENG. So you have to install router and switches here in our case to perform a basic lab. So for this we are going to install this. For this you will have to install two softwares. You can use any one of them. One is Filezilla and another one is WinSCP. You can use any one of the software. These are the FTP software which are used to upload your files to your EVENG. In my case I am going to use Filezilla, so I have to open the Filezilla now. Click on open your Filezilla software. Don't worry, you will get all the softwares in the description box which I have uploaded. Now here you have to enter your host IP, here username and password and your port number. So what are the parameters? Host is the IP which are generated on your Eve machine. This one 192.168.150.128. Simply enter here 192.168.150.128. Username as root because we are entering into the root mode. Password is Eve, same as of GUI. Port number 22. Hit quick connect. Click on OK. You will get the access of the root folder of your EVENG. Now you have to simply go to the OPT, Unit Lab, Add-ons and Dynamics. These are the three folders where devices are stored in the EVENG. Now first I am going to add the router images, so click on Dynamics. Here you have to add the router images. Now you can see I have router images also there. Click on the router. You can see there are two series of router, 3725 series and C7200 series. So I am going to add these two to the Dynamics folder. Now you are able to see that the transfers are finished, all files have been successfully transferred. So you have to simply put all the router files into the Dynamics folder. Now again we will go to the browser to check whether our device is working or not. For this we have to once refresh it, not mandatory, but refresh once for proper working. Click on node. Now you will able to see that Cisco IOS 3725 and 7200 series routers are available. Now I am going to choose both routers. Now here you are able to see that your 3725 router image name is this one. Now you have to manually assign the router name which will be shown to your desktop. I am going to keep as 3725, and here is the icon. You can change any icon, but I am going to choose the router. Here the NB RAM size, and click on save. Sorry for this. Now I am going to add one 7200 series router also, so simply go and I am going to add this one, save. Now you can see that these two routers, now let's check these routers are working or not. Right click it, start, or start this router also. Okay, both routers have been started. As you get the notification in the right panel, double click on this router 3725. You will get the console screen. Double click on 72006, open. You will get the console here also. So first I'm going to verify the 3725 series routers. Okay, let's wait. Now hit no, enable. Wait for some time, it takes some time. Okay, show version. Simply you can check the all the verification. Now I am going to check the 7200 series router. No. Okay, enable show version. Here we will able to see C7200 Enterprise K9 M version 15.2. So our router is working properly. Check the interfaces. Show IP interface brief. There is no any IP assigned. Okay, our router is working properly. So I am going to stop this. In this way you will add the routers in your EVENG. Now our turn is to add switch images in the EVENG. So for that one also we have to go to the Filezilla. Now select the switch images. Now here we have the switch images. Now we have to add this one into the IOL folder and in the bin folder. Okay, click on these things, copy these two into the IOL/bin folder. Transfer finished. Now we have to simply get a console of your EVENG for proper functioning of your switch images, because switch images are a little bit different than the router's images. So I am going to use secure CRT as a console application. Okay, hit the IP 192.168.150.128, username as root, password as Eve. Okay, you will get the console. Now you have to simply run the permissions, fix permissions. So go to /opt unit lab wrappers unl wrapper -a fix permissions. Okay, so we have fixed our permissions. Now we have to change the directory to the IOL bin. So for that we have to hit cd space /opt unit lab add-ons IOL/bin, enter. Now we have get in the particular IOL bin folder. Check which files are present here. ls-l, these are the files present here. Now we are going to generate key. For before generating key we have to run one command, chmod 755 and your Python file name Cisco IOU-IOL. Hit enter. Now you have to generate your key. So for generating your key, run your Python script python2 space your file name Cisco IOU-IOL and hit enter. You will get the license key here, so just copy it and paste into this file IOURC. Right click, edit, control A and paste it the new over here. File, save, cut it, yes, transfer finished. Now we have done our uploading of the switch images. Let's go to the browser. So recently we have checked our routers as they are properly working. Now it's our turn to check our switch images. Right click on the screen, refresh it once, right click, node, check your Cisco IOL, click on this. Now we have added two images. Now I am going to check L2 IP base and add VIP services. These two are the same switches, but both have the different licenses. This one is of IP base and this one is add VIP services. Now first I am going to check the L2 IP base and change the image switch, save. Okay, sorry, I am going to change the name so that you will not get confused. Switch 1. Okay, now here I am going to take one remaining switch, this one, change the switch 2, change the image to the switch, click on save. Now we have both two switches. Now you have to start these switches, start, double click on this switch 1 and switch 2. Now we will check one by one what are the switch, is it operable or not. Say you will get the first switch console, enable show version. You will able to see that this is your IP base K9M switch which is running on the version 15.1, and you check on the switch 2, enable show version. This is the add VIP services K9. Okay, both switches are working properly. So this is the way you can add your switch images to your EVENG. So now I am going to stop these switches, all the devices. So at the last you will able to use the router and switch images in your EVENG properly. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.